Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out.
Welcome back, Royals. Today's video is being sponsored by Paris Rhône. We have teamed up again. They sent me over this fabulous heating tower. You guys, it is a remote controlled heating unit and I'm absolutely loving the sleek design of it. It is a 15 watt, 120 volt device, and as you can tell by the sleek design, easy to store, easy to use, and very, very lightweight, you guys. Has a temperature up to 95, 3 different settings, various heat levels, nice and sturdy, you guys. This is definitely going to come in handy as we host for the holiday season. So I want you to take a look in my description box, click the link, and shop to your heart drops. Thanks again, Paris Rhône, for this amazing new device that will be added to our home. And now, you guys, let's get into the styling of it all. Starting up, guys, we're going to do a quick DIY. On Friday, I revealed the tree styling, or I share with you step-by-step tree styling of the fabulous piece to my left. And now I am going to create a centerpiece that will sit center stage for the tablescape that will coordinate or tie in with this look. You guys, this is a very easy, simple DIY. I try to keep them as simple and easy as possible. Tools you will need: hot glue, of course, foam, and your vessel of choice. And my vessel just happens to be the little blue boxes, because what's a breakfast at Tiffany's without Tiffany boxes, right? So these are actually repurposed from my wedding, guys. This is why you will always see me style with this particular color scheme, because it is so near and dear. It was our wedding colors, so I just repurposed some boxes that I used from those centerpieces, and I'm giving them a nice winter glam look for this design. So sit back, relax, and keep watching as I create this centerpiece, and then we'll go right into the styling of it all. Enjoy!
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you.
All right, guys, as you can see, she's fabulous and I am loving her. Off camera, I created just a nice little coordinating swag. And so without any further ado, let the styling begin. We're going to start, as always, guys, with a clean surface. Again, this Breakfast at Tiffany's theme is so fun. I had an amazing time styling and putting this look together. A lot of it was just really organic, didn't have a set style or look in mind. I just pulled what I had. Every item in this space are items that I already own, just showing you how you can take what you have and use what you got, make something new. So we're going to pull out these beautiful diamond and pearl placemats. I got them from the At Home store, but they are available on Sparkle Home, and so I will link Sparkle Home's website on down in my description box, you guys. But I absolutely love them. I have a set of 6, but I'm obviously using 4 here. Tying in with the Breakfast at Tiffany's, these beautiful Tiffany or aqua blue chargers are from Zeke Gallery, guys. I absolutely love them. I have a set of 8, but again, I'm only styling for 4, so that is what I'm using. And it's already giving me Breakfast at Tiffany vibes. Moving on now to the actual dinnerware, guys. I thought these were so fitting, these beautiful iridescent dinner and salad plates. I picked them up from Home Goods, and they tie in beautifully with an adjacent space, and you'll see that soon. But it was important that I keep every space cohesive and connected to each space because everything is open, and I wanted to keep it nice and flowing with my open concept styling. So now I have the matching dinner plates, guys. This Home Goods set is just absolutely gorgeous. It is beautiful style with any color because it's iridescent. It picks up all shades, and I am here for the glam and extraness of it all. Getting everything positioned just so. And so now, honey, let's bring in the centerpiece. What's a Breakfast at Tiffany's too without a little jewels to add to the look? I feel like this would be perfect for the adornment of the tree. It ties the table into it. This beautiful charger was from the At Home store, and here she is, y'all. It's Tiffany herself. I absolutely love what I created here. Just over the top, glam, elegance, all of the things. If you could make me into a centerpiece, this is how I would want to look, honey. This is everything to me, and I am so here for it. And yes, this is for styling purposes only. So I know that it's a bit tall for the scale of the look, but it's Christmas. We can go big. It's for Jesus, right? So now moving on to the stemware, guys, keeping in with the iridescent look. I got this beautiful Rachel Zoe set from Home Goods, and it perfectly complements the dinnerware set. Again, still telling that same Breakfast at Tiffany story, just complementing each piece after the other. I love it. And so now, guys, here's a little, don't have the blue box, but I figured a blue napkin with a diamond and pearl napkin ring to tie in with the placemats would be perfect for this setting. Again, I wanted to use items that I already had. This is a no-cost holiday style and design. And you too can do the same with just a little creativity and imagination. Use what you have to create something new and exciting. And I am loving what I'm creating in this moment. There you have it, guys. Breakfast at Tiffany's, from the tree to the credenza styling to the tablescape. Everything just flows beautifully together. And I give you Breakfast at Tiffany's.
Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the slow is best.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this Breakfast at Tiffany's tablescape as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Hit those notification bells, click them twice so that you always know when I upload new content. If this is your first time visiting and you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity, and I would love to have you all come along and be a part of this royal journey with me. To my tried and true and my brand new boos, you already know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you for your continued support. So guys, until the next one, stay safe, remain royal, and have a blessed and beautiful day. Bye.